In question 14, we have to find the values of these expressions without actually calculating the cubes themselves. So for example, in the first part, we have to calculate minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. In the second one, we have to calculate 28 cube minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube. We are going to use the fact that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz if x plus y plus z is equal to 0. And this is what we saw in the previous question. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z is equal to 3xyz. So let's use it for the first part. So in the first part, we have minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. So minus 12 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 0, which means that minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube will be equal to 3xyz, or 3 times minus 12 times 7 times 5. So this is equal to minus 1260. So this is the value of the first expression. Now let's do the second one. In the second one, we have 28 minus 15 and minus 13. So again, 28 plus minus 15 plus minus 13 is equal to 0, which means that 28 cube plus minus 15 cube plus minus 13 cube will be equal to 3xyz, or 3 into 28 into minus 15 into minus 13, and this is equal to plus 16,380. So this is the expression, or the value of the second expression, and that solves question 14.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.